What's up, Little Blue? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing a New Year's Eve glam. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey y'all, so I'm not feeling the greatest today, but I really wanted to sit down and film because I've been eyeing this look from Miranda XO on Instagram, and I just thought that would be perfect for New Year's Eve glam. I will have her Instagram linked in the description below. Let's get started. I'm going to start out with the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Machina palette, and I'm going to take the Makeup Shack T66 brush, and I'm going to take Shut Down from Machina. I'm gonna bring that towards the inner corner of my eye into the crease and map out my shape. Just work that into the crease. The Machina palette is so good. So I'm gonna take that kind of downwards, and then I'm gonna take it and start to flick it up towards the tail of my brow. I haven't really filmed in like a week, so I'm sorry if I'm kind of hold my mirror over like where you can see. It has just been a time. Okay, so get that shape built up, and then I want to just make sure I'm getting it close to the inner corner. Got it all nice and built up. And what I'm gonna do is switch on over to this Makeup Shack T14 brush. I'm gonna go into Robotic, and I'm going to blend that out with it. Just back and forth with it. I'll go back into Shut Down here pretty soon and touch it up. I'm just going to get it nice and blended out real quick. So I'm going to do back and forth windshield wiper motions with the lightest amount of pressure. Back and forth, back and forth. So Miranda does really, really beautiful looks, and it like does them on the arm here. Like, how even? I just am always amazed by every new look. And I've been eyeing this one, and I've been like, ooh, want to do this, because I don't really have like a whole lot of creativity right now. So that's an artist that inspires me, and I was like, all right, let's give this a go. All right. This is some baby blenderoos. And then I'm going to take this ColourPop E28 brush and get some of Shut Down to bring it back. Just back and forth with it. This E28 brush from ColourPop is more of a like pencil. It reminds me of the eraser on a pencil, but it's more of a pencil brush. And it really helps to get everything nice and evenly blended, I feel like. And then I'm going to switch over to the Makeup Shack T63 brush and Precision. And what I'm going to do is just start to take it down far and then blend, blend, blend. And I'm going to take it up to my brow as well, because in the reference picture it looks like it's brought all the way up to the arch of the brow, and then you just pop a little sparkle on there. So that's what I'm going to do with this. Just get that nice and blended. I'm going to go back into Robotic next. I'm going to take that same Makeup Shack T14 brush and just start to very gently just start to bring it back. Very, very, very light pressure. And I'm taking a little bit more of Shut Down with that ColourPop E28 brush. Back and forth. You don't want to use hardly any pressure at all. Now, if you wanted to do something like this and you wanted the black shade to be super, super intense, get a black base or a black eyeliner and pop that down, and then start to blend your black eyeshadow. But I didn't figure I would want to do that right now because I'm only really just doing the crease work, and I felt like this is an intense enough black that it blends out easily, and there's not really a lot of fallout. So I didn't think that that would be something that I would need to do right now. So I'm going to take that T14 brush from the Makeup Shack again with a little bit more of Robotic and just give a little baby blend. Blending is repetitive, but it's worth it. And then with this Makeup Shack T63 brush, I'm going to take more of Precision. Just make sure everything is nice and diffused. We don't want any harshness. So about like this, I'm going to go ahead and take some micellar water on a Q-tip to clean up the crease in the lid and then carve it out with some Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas and Fair. And then I'm going to take some of this Mayron palette, Paradise Makeup AQ. I'm going to use the silver shade to start to get our little wing going on with it. It'll be this shade. And then I'm going to go over that with the Chromazone liner from... Then I'm going to take the She Glam Chromazone liner and pixels over it after it dries. And then I'm going to give it a few minutes and we're going to add some Pegasus Wing glitter from Karla Cosmetics because I did not have a glitter that was the color of the silver like in the reference picture. So I was like, I'm just going to add some Pegasus Wing because it's been a while since I've used it. So I changed up my liner brush this time. This is the Suva one that came in the little pastel palette that they had on sale at Black Friday. I really like it. So I'm using that Mayron palette and using that silver shade. And I'm just doing a wing. And then I'm going to bring it onto the lid like if I was doing a normal eyeliner, but I'm also going to bring it up into the crease. I'm going to start to focus on thinning that line out the closer towards the inner corner of my eye that I get. And I'm not going to worry about cleaning up the wing just yet because it is a little bit thicker than I wanted it to be. I'll take some micellar water on a Q-tip here in a minute and take care of that. But for now, I'm just going to take that liner, build up my shape, and get the base down for the liner and the glitter. And now is where I'm taking that micellar water on a Q-tip and just getting that all cleaned up. Now I'm taking that Pixels liner. I have to say I'm really impressed with these She Glam liners. They don't budge. I'm a crier. I just got finished crying. And they're just, I can just say from my experience of wearing them, I cry. They don't budge. Alright, now that all of that is on and sparkly, I'm going to go back into the Machina palette and I'm going to take the Makeup Shack T65 brush and shut down because it's a smaller one and I need some precision. Just going to get that real up close to that liner and work it onto the lid. And then I'm going to take the Makeup Shack T66 brush and more of Shut Down. I'm going to really just kind of bring that over and try to pat that up against that liner into the crease. Get a little bit more just so it's nice and intense. And I'm trying to look into my mirror to make sure that I'm being precise. Bring it down. Pat, 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 pat. And then I'm going to take this ColourPop E28 brush again and I'm going to take Robotic and start to give a little blenderoo. Blend, blend, blenderoo. Get a little bit more Shut Down to really just pat to blend. And with just about any, I feel like honestly every Blend Bunny Cosmetics palette that I've tried, these shades all melt together like butter. So you can just pat it and it works. I apologize if you hear Toot. She's like, hey, I want love. She's been full of love lately. I'm taking Precision and that same brush and I'm going to just start to blend that with Robotic. And I'm going to bring that all the way into that inner corner. And then take that Makeup Shack T63 brush And just diffuse that. And I'm going to get a little bit more robotic with that E28 brush and just bring it back. And then take that T65 brush from the Makeup Shack and just start to blend it with robotic. And look at that blend. Just look. Oh my gosh. I forgot how much I really enjoy There's Something in My Eye. Oh my goodness. I forgot how much I really do enjoy doing all matte looks, but I also just live for sparkles. I think I have a cat hair in my eye. Okay, so I'm going to sharpen this liner. It's called Pixels. It doesn't have a sharpener on it, but it has a smudger. Oh wait, it does have a sharpener on it. Oh cool, I didn't realize that. Okay, we're finding out new things today. I'm going to sharpen this liner up. I thought it just had a smudger. So that makes it so much better that I don't have to go to a different liner for a sharpener. But I'm just going to thicken this line up a little bit in here. Very gently. Okay, I'm going to add some of the Comma adhesive and let it dry down a bit, and then I'm going to add Pegasus Wing from Karla Cosmetics. I'm not really going to talk through that bit because I have to concentrate because I don't want to make a glittery mess. So here I'm taking a lip brush, but you know, brushes are versatile. You can do whatever you want with them. And I'm applying that adhesive because I needed precision. And this is thin, so it helped to make sure I didn't get like messy with it. So now I'm taking that Pegasus Wing glitter from Karla Cosmetics and the Elf and J Kissa J5 brush. And I'm just kind of stamping it on to where the adhesive was. And I'm trying really, really hard not to have much fallout with the glitter. But you know how glitter is. Glitter can get a little messy. But this was an easy cleanup. So I got to try to be real precise up on that little bit there as it gets thinner throughout the crease. Alright, so to clean off any excess glitter that I have going on here, because I do have some, I'm just going to take the brushes that I used that had the shades on it. So this T66 had shut down on it. I'm going to try to clean off the lid with that. And then with that E28 brush, I'm just going to lightly dust that glitter off here. And with that, well, I was going to say I'm going to go do the rest of my face and I'll be right back, but I added some liner and I don't know if I could talk through this. So let me go ahead and add some sparkles. I'm going to add Terra Moon's Cosmetics Luminescence Highlighter. It's beautiful. It works as for on your eyes as your highlighter, all that good stuff. It's so pretty. It's one of my favorite ones from the recent highlighter collection. And I'm just going to pop that onto the inner corner just a little bit. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to pop that into the arch of the brow. Blend it over just a little bit. And now we got beautiful sparkles. And I'm going to add some Danessa Myricks line work liner in Onyx to do the extended cat liner wing, which I cannot do while I'm talking. So I'm going to hold my breath and hope for the best. Okay, to touch up where I had messed up on the liner here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that E28 brush and just kind of blend over top of the liner, and then take some more of the Pixels liner and fill it in, and then it just kind of blends it together. But I did get a little heavy-handed with that gel liner, so I'm going to take a little bit more. Just kind of go back and forth to blend them together. And I think that looks pretty good. So I'm going to go do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. what do you think? I feel like it's so cute, and I'm really excited because, like I said, I feel like it's been forever since I've done an all matte blend and didn't use a lot of sparkles, so it was fun to add the glitter like this but be able to like work with mattes on my lid because I usually like put a lot of shimmers and stuff. But yeah, I think that this is going up on New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. So whatever day that it goes up, I hope that you have a Happy New Year. Please let me know what you'd like to see next down in the comments below. I will have Miranda's Instagram in the description box along with mine and my threads and TikTok in case you want to keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube. If you'd like to keep up with me while I am here on YouTube, then please hit the subscribe button. It means so much to me. I can't thank you enough. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!